All right, what's up everybody? Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. And in today's video, I want to talk about starting a YouTube channel for beginners and some things you need to know. Here's what to expect. We'll be right back. All right, kudos to you. So I'm Larry here, back with Larry and Umeka with your daily dose of time freedom. And in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about YouTube and starting a YouTube channel as a beginner. So I just wanted to take the time and go over a couple of things on what to expect, because keep in mind, YouTube is an animal. YouTube is a beast. And I want to share with you what to expect prior to jumping into the YouTube. Now, the good thing about it, it's never too late to start a YouTube channel. Okay. Now, the first thing I want to talk about, and I want to mention this to you, YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Okay. YouTube is a platform for you to gain momentum and long-term success. Now, most people get confused when getting on YouTube and they create videos and not seeing any type of results, no views, no traffic, no sales, whatever the case may be. And the reason being is YouTube is all about momentum. Okay. It's a marathon. People who really have success in YouTube are those who are in it for the long haul. Okay. So if you're going into YouTube with the expectations of instant gratification, instant success, you're going to fail because you're not going to see results right away. The good thing about it is YouTube, once you start seeing those results, it's hard to cut them off. It's hard to turn off the results. So, and this leads to my next tip. YouTube, it is very important to be consistent. Okay. Like I said, since YouTube is a marathon, it's important to be consistent, consistently putting out valuable content. Okay. Publishing videos on a consistent basis, because keep in mind, YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Okay. People who are in it for the long term wins. People who are in it to not see instant gratification, instant signs, instant results win in long term with YouTube. So that's why it's important to post consistently while you're not seeing results. Okay. Now this leads to the next tip. Keep planting seeds. Now, most beginners get on YouTube, they make a video and they sit and babysit and watch that video, waiting for it to grow, waiting for the views to happen. That's not how YouTube works. YouTube works as a collective way, or should I say collectively. YouTube, the algorithm for YouTube works on how many channel subscribers you have, how much channel authority, channel views you have. Everything that relates to your channel produces results for each individual video. And this all has to do with you publishing consistently. So instead of putting up one video, okay, and then waiting to see a result from that one video, you could be publishing more videos. Look at it like this. It's like a garden. Okay. When you're planting seeds in a garden, results mostly don't happen until 90 days after. So if you plant one seed, and each seed you plant, it takes 90 days to see a result from that one particular seed. Why waste 90 days looking at one seed when you could have produced 90 seeds in 90 days? Hope I'm making sense. So instead of looking at the results and trying to see would this one video be productive or not, would this one video yield results, how about you keep publishing videos, and then you will have a harvest of videos working for you after the 90 days. Hope this makes sense. So I'm Larry Porter signing off. I just wanted to share some information with you. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel and you're a beginner, kudos to you. Go ahead and get to it and keep publishing great content and publish consistently. Remember, keep planting those seeds. All right, I'm Larry signing off with Larry and Umeka, and I will see you on the next video.